One of the things I wanted to show you guys was how to add files from your Google Drive straight into Jamboard. Unfortunately, one of the limitations of Jamboard on the website is you can't add files from Google Drive on the website. Now, Google's really good about taking advice from teachers, and you can get in contact with them and tell them that's something that you would like to add, or for them to add as a feature, and oftentimes they really will make some changes. But right now, the only way to add files straight from Google Drive onto Jamboard is if you have an application. So on your Chromebook, you can download the Jamboard app from Google Play. Let's say you don't have a Chromebook, you just have a regular laptop, then you can use your phone or you can use your iPad or tablet. So I have Jamboard pulled up here on my iPhone. And I'm just going to open up a sample jam. And all I have to do to add a file, I can click the edit button down here, click the plus sign, and you'll see drive content. So one of the things we do in my AP government class is we have to practice writing thesis sentences for our argumentative essay. So I'm going to find a file from my AP government course that I want to have multiple students working on at the same time. So for example, I will open it up, put it here on Jamboard. If I click these three dots, I can click expand. That way I can see it a little bit better and find the specific slide that I want my students to work on. So I'm just going to scroll all the way to the bottom because unfortunately it is the last slide. And let's say I want 3 students in a group working on the exact same prompt. So you can see now I've duplicated it 3 times. And all I will have to do here is X out, come back, delete this. And so now I have, for example, 3 of the same prompts. And if I share this with my students, and I want 3 of them working together in a group, they can access this via the link or via Google Classroom, and they can actually write right on top of this, and they can collaborate and decide, okay, I think, this is the thesis sentence we want to write. They can look at each other's and kind of peer review each other's, and this is just a way that you can actually add things from Google Drive. So now that I've added this, I can actually go back to my Chromebook, go back to the website, open this jam back up again on my computer, and it's there. So unfortunately, that is one of the only limitations that I've really found using Jam.